to central Utah. Today, we're traveling as a family in our faithful old steed, Silver, who's recently had a bit of a makeover and freshening up of some of her more important components after over 188,000 miles of mostly off-road travel. It feels so good to have the whole family back in this incredible machine and once again towing a turtleback trailer into yet another incredible landscape.
I'll keep my hand here on your back. I won't move it while you sleep. Shaking hours have settled down. Just like an eating dress, break to the right, sway to the left. In the morning everything is spent, and I make my way back home.
All right, well, howdy, folks. Welcome to another episode. We've found this mediocre spur of the moment kind of camp spot here, so it's not, the most beautiful thing in the world, but we'll survive. It'll do for the night, I guess. Wow. I can't wait to explore what's up in this canyon right here. But first, let's get camp set up. Come on. 6 more inches. A little more. Right there. That'll do. Now, if you've been riding along for a while, you already know that we recently installed a new wedge-style tent up top for a bit more testing for our viewers. This will make the 3rd different style we've used over the years, and Sarah is getting her first taste of the setup process.
I'm never going to get to go on a trip in this one.
I have to slide all the way forward tomorrow. Right now, the initial lift is a bit hefty, so I'll likely revisit where I have the action tracks and high lift positioned in the future.
That's all we got, sister.
Oh, that's big enough.
Go! Rise like the wind.
But so far, I'm liking the ability to stow these items, which can sometimes be a pain to mount in an accessible location. One of the features that make this particular wedge a unique option is the extension, which seems to make the tent feel a lot more roomy, even for my 6'3" frame. I'm also a big fan of the minimal amount of superfluous fabric to catch any wind, which, as you know, we are no strangers to.
I'm bored already.
She's gonna be good at that algorithm.
I'm bored already. At first I was like, what do you mean good at the algorithm? I get it now.
Maybe you should have got all that.
I didn't get all the way ready. You're right. That's my bad. Anything else you want to critique me on? Heck.
You're blurry.
Now we let those saute for a few minutes.
Okay.
Set a timer.
You have a little bit of a situation there, Mama?
Yeah.
What you working with?
Well, it didn't really thaw out, so now it just looks like a giant pot sticker.
Warmed up a little bit.
Steam it.
It's like mashed potatoes.
It does look like mashed potatoes.
Oh, yeah. We getting there.
These are going to be ready before the rice is ready.
It's all right. I'm starving.
Okay. Well, little bit softer. Not by much, guys.
You ready for your first night camping by yourself?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I think so.
Is it comfy in there?
Kinda, yeah.
Good. See you in the morning.
See ya.
All right, well, good morning, and good morning to my little camera lady here. I slept pretty good. I think all of us got a decent amount of sleep. The wind was very sporadic and woke us up a few times, but shoot, other than that, good night. How'd you like being inside the 4Runner?
It was good.
Yeah?
Fun.
Awesome.
Scary.
It's different, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Overlandstyle.com. Great.
Ew.
Wonder what the difference is.
I don't know.
What is that?
That is melted lid.
Ew.
Took it a while, but it finally melted. Well, it finally happened. We've had a lot of folks complain about this little issue here and hadn't experienced it ourselves yet until this morning. I don't know if conditions were right or if the plastics broke down enough, but it finally
Give up on
stuck.
this.
So, love the stove, but the pots and pans that come with it, nah.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours, I never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know.
Do you think this is an air hole or an entrance hole?
I don't know. Look at the pieces of petrified wood. That's a huge log right in the rock. They blocked it off.
So there's
Bunga, dude.
All right, well that was fun. We've always said we want to do more hiking, and 9 times out of 10 we keep driving, so it felt good to get out and see this canyon and some really cool mines and just all kinds of petroglyphs and petrified wood. It's so cool up in here. You just never know what you'll find in these little canyons. Trying to run us down.
Sweet.
Wow.
Look at him go.
That's wild. I've never seen him do that before. All right, well it's lunchtime, folks, and we found this shady grove of cottonwoods just in time for the crazy wind, because it's setting in again.
Hi.
How do you like that?
I like it.
It's been a while since we got the hammocks out.
What?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
What's for lunch?
Sandwiches
Sandwiches.
on some homemade bread.
Oh snap. Look at that.
Yeah. I'm
That's
really
too
excited.
pretty to eat.
I've been craving it today.
Wow. That's just too pretty to eat.
It's gonna be good.
But I'm actually hungry enough. I think I will give it a try.
I think you should give it a go.
Nicely done.
Thanks.
We're gonna make camp before dark? What?
What?
What's wrong with us?
Nothing.
Sarah, Caroline, and I hope you've enjoyed the first leg of our adventure. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell to be notified of your next chance to ride along. But if you really love what we do, then go to lso.link/support and join our support team, where, depending on your support level, you'll get access to all our secret camping spots, pre-explored adventure routes, and exclusive supporter gear, plus a whole lot more. Until next time, stay curious, and remember to leave it better than you found it.
Just good old spaghetti.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That'll work.
Yeah, I figured I needed a couple easy things just in case it got windy. And it's windy.
It is.
Yeah.
We spotted a mountain lion. She's been stalking us. I think she's after the spaghetti.